Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Reminder here on Clickup. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Clickup, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using reminders in Clickup is a straightforward process that helps you stay on top of deadlines, tasks, and important events. Now, once you are logged into your account, just go and navigate to the space, folder, or list where your task is located. For example, I'm going to be using this specific task. There's going to be an option on the top right corner of the task settings, the three dots or three buttons. There should be an option that says remind me or simply reminder. All right. Now you have multiple options here. Is it going to be due date for later, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, next weekend? You can put in like maybe 2 weeks, 4 weeks from now, or you can do a recurring kind of reminder as well. All right. Now, when you click on the, for example, this weekend, I'm going to put in maybe next week. That's going to be September 16, right? I'm going back again to the reminder because as you can see, one person will get notified from this specific reminder, right? You have an option to unwatch, notify me only on mentions or assignment, or it can notify you an activity for this specific task. I want you to navigate again to the reminder option because you can also set the permission for this specific task. If you are working with multiple team members, clients, or freelancers, you might want to do so because this would alert any individual that is connected with this specific task. You can invite them by name, by email, and of course, you can share this link with anyone if you wanted. You see, you can put in the expire link or never expire. You can share this link with a search engines, which is very good in terms of the CEO as like a backlinking. You can embed the code to your website. You can also share task properties like everything, like assignee, priority, due date, and a lot more. All right, and of course you can put in a private link. Only those with permissions can access with this link and copy that link if you wanted. All right, that's basically how you add a reminder here in Clickup. I find it very useful whether you're working on your personal tasks or collaborating with a team. Reminders are here to help you keep on track and focus on what matters most. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.